Hi, I'm Benny, and I'm a junior at Limburg High School, and I've always been very interested in Asian American topics and really fighting for equal rights for everyone. And seeing all the violence that's been happening in our community for the past couple of, specifically the months and weeks that has been happening, it's been very horrifying to see this disastrous events of, murder, attacks, abuse. And, just seeing those events happening just scared me and made me want to stand up and voice my support for my fellow AAPI community members and really make a change, because I think what's most important right now is coming together and uniting, as people said, in love. And the only way to do that is coming together, working with people across different ethnic and racial backgrounds, standing together, working together to address the issues. Because the first step to making a stronger community is really working together and coming together. And I think that if we do that and continue that, we'll be able to really address the issues of systemic racism and discrimination against the Asian American community.
My name is Esther. I'm a junior. I go to Saratoga High School and I live in Saratoga, and I'm here today because I've been involved with a lot of my friends recently in a lot of this activism regarding the hate against AAPI, and it's really troubling for me as somebody who grew up in one of the pretty rare, almost majority AAPI communities, to see the way that people in our community are being treated in other places and how they're viewed by other people. And so we want to help to change that narrative, and we want to protect members of our community. So that's why I'm here today, and that's why I'll continue to fight for them. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Alan. I attended this rally just to see what our elected leaders and other community members were doing about the hate crimes that were happening in the Asian American community. Personally, I've been on some of Chinatown's patrols, right, just to make sure that our elderly people are safe. All we do is try to document evidence and try to present that to police officers. And yeah, do you have any questions?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Hi there, everybody. My name is Forrest, and I'm here. I run a patrol in Chinatown called the Chinatown Safety Patrol. We patrol the streets of San Francisco. We had a chance to speak today, so I wanted to highlight two speakers. One was Max Lung. He's a veteran organizer of street patrols, so I brought him out. And another is our personal hero, Ashlyn So, who's a young 13-year-old girl who organized her own rally. She represents the face of the future of what we're going to do in terms of grassroots organizing, activating the youth, and making sure that we're keeping the Asian community safe.